Welcome to my channel. On my channel, you will find various nail art tutorials on how to do nail designs, and also other videos that are nail related. Today's video will be about how to do a quick nail design on the go. The base of the first nail will be 2 coats of a light pink gel color. I have applied 2 coats of the color and then cured between each coat. Then, I apply nail glue to the entire nail, a thin layer to be able to apply different rhinestones to the nail. When I am done, I cure the nail and finish the nail design with top coat and cure again. Here, I have painted the base in the color red, and to fully cover the nail, I have applied 2 layers of the color red and cured between each layer. I will then apply a line with the color gold, and then, after that, to make the gold color stand out, I will apply nail decoration above. When you are satisfied, cure the nail. Finish the nail design by applying top coat and cure. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will get back to you. Here, I have painted nails 2 layers of the white color. You don't have to choose the same colors as I choose. Take colors that you like. The idea of my nail tutorials is to get you inspired to want to do your nails, or find new inspiration for new nail designs. I will first apply nail glue before I place rhinestone and caviar beads. I finish the nail design by applying top coat and cure the nail. Now we have come to the last nail, where we will apply rhinestone and caviar beads at the bottom of the nail, and when we are happy with the placement, we will cure the nail. Finish the nail design by applying top coat and cure the nail. Thanks for watching, and take care. Bye for now.